baboot and let employ you. The office climate's never been better, that's no lie. Since we started tracking climate, our spirits are high. Like quarterly reports, but for climate's financial weight. S2 shows investors how climate affects our corporate fate. Boss's mood is sunny, no more stormy weather, 'cause IFRS S2 keeps our office climate together. But office climate, actual climate, we're forecasting both with style and finesse. S2's our weather station, no climate stress. 4 pillars keeping our office climate blessed. When it's raining risks, we've got umbrellas. Sunshine opportunities for smart fellas. Office climate, actual climate, S2 makes both absolutely fantastic. Good morning, team, here's today's governance forecast. Like org charts showing who leads, we show climate leadership fast. Boss's mood is stable, no leadership storms to broadcast. Management climate's perfect for climate governance revels at last. Board meetings have that Friday feeling every day. Since we appointed climate chiefs to show the way. No more Monday blues about who's in charge. Our governance climate, sunny and large. Office climate, actual climate, we're forecasting both with style and finesse. S2's our weather station, no climate stress. 4 pillars keeping our office climate blessed. Oh, strategic seasonal plannings, summer growth ahead. Winter backup plans in case the climate market's dead. We're like office meteorologists predicting the future. Physical risks like predicting if Karen brings cake suture. Opportunities blowing in like that Friday afternoon breeze. Our strategy climate's got everyone saying, yes please! When it's raining risks, we've got umbrellas. Sunshine opportunities for smart fellas. Office climate, actual climate, S2 makes both absolutely fantastic. Breaking news, hurricane policies approaching from the east. Like office safety drills, but for climate risks at least. Office morale remains high, spirits haven't decreased. But our climate resilience plan handles all the stunts. We monitor office temperature better than the thermostat. Risk management like predicting if the boss wore his lucky hat. Scenario analysis, what if coffee machine breaks down? High-risk climate planning is the talk of the town.